We are one step away from deploying our application. But before we do that, we're going to polish the design and the functionality. The first thing we're going to do is edit our header. And on our brand text element, we're going to start a workflow. And whenever the user clicks our brand logo, we're going to navigate and go to the index page. That way, wherever they are in our application, they can always go back home. Similarly, we're going to drop down our group navigation, and in our group logged in, we'll start a workflow for the profile photo, so when the user clicks it, it'll take them to their profile. This profile page requires some data, so we'll make sure to pass in the current user. Another thing we might want to do is make a logout button, since this is our group logged in. One way we can do that is to make this button smaller. We'll then copy and paste this button and call it logout. We'll start a workflow for the logout button. And like everything with user accounts, it's as simple as one action. On the design side of things, we can always polish elements to make their styles look nicer. In our repeating group, we can remove the separator and turn that to none, so there's no more lines in between on our design. We can also edit our card style and remove any borders that might have been too sharp and replace it with a nice drop shadow. With all of these little tweaks adding up over time, your app will start to feel real, and it'll look more like a final product. And just like that, we can view some of the polish that we've already added. We can click on our icon to take us to our profile, or on our brand text to take us back to the index page. And we can even log out. Not to mention our card style looks more modern, and all of this is just scratching the surface on things we can do to breathe even more life into our application. In the next lesson, we're going to be deploying this application to live.